Not me using a Balenciaga hoodie as a rag for all my makeup shit. Oh my god.
Hey, ewa salame, baba klopapir, ewa salame, zinzolbim, ewa salame, hey. Hey.
Hi guys, my name is Indigo. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I want to do yet another PR review because I've had a lot of PR just piling up in the corner of my room and I want it out.
Get the fuck out my goddamn dog.
Urgently. So we are going to be trying out some brand new products. Others not so brand new, but they are new to me, so we're gonna still try them out. We've got exciting brands like Fenty Beauty. I'll explain why that is such an accomplishment for me later on in the video. Before we do get started, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on post notifications. And also, if you guys do want to shop any of these products, I do have affiliate links down below. So if you guys do want to support me, I do get a little bit of a commission every time you use them. And without further ado, let's get started. So I actually already did my makeup today. That's why I have like a full face on right now. But this is my daily makeup, so my brows surprisingly are not done and they're literally just brushed. Nothing fancy basically, so we're gonna add that now. So I actually want to start off with blush. Now I did get some products from Lime Crime. Now from what I've heard about Lime Crime, they have a very interesting track record. I've actually never heard about the performance of their products, but I have heard a lot about their hair dyes and a lot of people love them. A lot of people didn't. I don't know too much about the brand, so this is really interesting to me because I guess we're about to find out. We're gonna go ahead and try the Lime Crime Software Blush. This is in the shade Digital Peach. The packaging itself is pretty cute, I guess. But you know, packaging can be cute, but does the product work? Okay, so the packaging inside is even cuter. It kind of has like that very, I want to say like Tumblr type of TikTok alternate girl aesthetic. So apparently this is a cream blush? Is that right? This is a cream to powder blush. Okay, so I'm just gonna gather a whole bunch on this brush. It is really hard to get it on the brush. Like I sweep once, nothing. Okay, so I've just taken this brush and like smothered it in the product. This is a blush brush too, by the way, so this isn't, I'm not using it wrong. In some parts of my makeup, it's catching on very harshly, and then there's other parts that it just doesn't catch no matter how much I apply. Okay, great way to start off this video, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna try their eyeshadows because that was not it. Apparently they have soft suede eyeshadows called Lid Light, and I'm assuming they're like single pans. One thing I will say about the oh, that does not sound good. Okay, so that probably could have just been like a packaging error on their part. So I'm gonna check the other one, which is like this teal shade lily pad. What the f***? They were all just shipped out like this? Like I don't know if they were packaged wrong. I don't know if they were shipped wrong because they were bubble wrapped. Bubble wrap on top of bubble wrap on top of bubble wrap, and they were extremely well packaged. I don't know what's going on here, why they would crack to begin with. I am really disappointed right now. I have a headache. Do I want to post this video? You know what? I mean, honestly, yeah, I do. I feel like I go very hard when it comes to products, and the reason that I do that is because I know that people are going to be putting down money on these products. They don't receive it free like I do. And I know that if I was in my shoes a year ago where I was homeless and I basically had like $5 to spend on makeup, I would want to know if something that I was purchasing was legit or not. You know what though? We do have some lip products from them and I am going to try those out. Alright, so I'm not going to give up completely on the brand. I'm still going to give them a fair shot, and they did give us some lip products and also some eyeshadow palettes. The next product that we have is the Venus eyeshadow palette by Lime Crime. Now this packaging I really love so much. It's so pretty. And if I recall correctly, I think about a week or two ago, I was hanging out with Kaylin and Kaylin had this palette and I really liked it. I thought it was a cute color story. I didn't try it out, so I do kind of have a general idea of what this is. I really like these types of colors so much. I live for a grungy moment. I live for smoky eyes. You guys know that. We have the shades Unseen, Echo, Moth, Marble, Cameo, Hail, Ash, and Unveil. And these are all So pretty. I'm kind of conflicted though, because I also have this palette over here, the Sweet Shop Bubblegum palette, and it's a whole bunch of blues. I don't know which one to try right now. I'm feeling a little depressed. So we're gonna go with black. So I went ahead and applied a little bit of eyeshadow primer on my eyelid. I want to be excited, guys, but I don't know if I'm gonna be. We're gonna go ahead and try the eyeshadow Cameo. Now I do not expect this to be pigmented, especially on my face. It shouldn't be too, oh, okay. Okay, so the eyeshadows might have came in clutch compared to everything else. It is very true to color and it is very buildable. Next I'm gonna try the shade Ash, which is this very dark kind of slate gray color. It's there. I think they redeemed themselves when it came to the eyeshadow. Let's see what their shimmers have to say. I'm gonna go ahead and try the shade Hail. Okay, not my favorite, but it's also not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and try the Marble shade on the inner corner of my eye. It does have a little bit of like a glittery type of moment. I don't know what this is gonna oh. Now that is what I call a white eyeshadow. Okay. I like that. I like that a lot. It's kind of weird though. It's not quite a matte, but it's also not quite a shimmer. It has these strangest little flecks on it of like glitter, which also appears on the skin when you use it. I don't know how to explain it. I guess the shade is just very that. It's the shade. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it grayscaled and I'm gonna use the black eyeshadow Unseen. Alrighty, so I picked up the tiniest bit and it showed up. So that is really good. Yeah, I have no idea what happened earlier with all the other products, but I will say that this palette, she kinda good or whatever. I will definitely be using this again. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off of camera and then I'll meet you guys for the next step. I have some lashes from Tatti Lashes and I have used some of their lashes before, but like I always just end up going back to my Lily lashes because they're just really that good. We're gonna give these a try today. These are the Tatti Lashes Molly May lashes. Sorry for all the mascara. Okay, I don't know what's up with the glue. Is it supposed to be like a little brush or it's definitely a little brush. It's just a stick. I don't know. Okay, so the base on these is like clear, whereas my Lily lashes would normally be black. Very interesting. I'm intrigued. Sound like Denzel Crocker over here. Oh, these look really short for my eyes. No. All right. See, the thing is like there is a difference, but I don't know if it's like worth putting on fake lashes. Like if I'm putting on fake lashes, I want like exaggeration. I want extra. This is not giving me that. Okay, so you know what? Everything else could have gone bad except for the eyeshadow. This next part will not do me dirty. That is because it is Fenty Beauty. Let me tell y'all a story. The first ever proper makeup product that I ever bought when I first got into makeup was the Pro Filter Fenty Beauty foundation. To this day, this is still my ride or die. This is the only foundation that I consistently have in my circle. This is my 4th bottle. Love this stuff. I love their setting powder. I love their bronzers. I love their highlighters. It is the only brand that I can pick anything up from and be fully confident that it's gonna work as if I've used it a million times before. I think what a lot of people forget is that I have only been doing makeup for a year. But when I first moved to Los Angeles and I had like 2,000 followers, I didn't have anything. I was friends with an influencer and we had this discussion where we were talking about which PR lists that I wanted to be on. And I remember saying my first pick is Fenty Beauty because I love their products and I live for everything about the brand. I love Rihanna so much. And I remember he was like, yeah, that's next to impossible. Like, you have to be more realistic. Ever since then, I was like, oh, okay, well, I guess I'm not getting on their PR list anytime soon, whatever. And here I am, a year later, receiving PR from Fenty Beauty. I don't want to cry. But when I first opened that package, I really did cry because it just really reminded me how far I've come in just a single year and how much can change in just a single year. But I don't think I had actually seen my progress until I received this package on the doorstep and I didn't know what it was and I opened it and it was Fenty Beauty. So anyways, sap story aside, we're going to be trying the Stunna lip paint and this is the shade Underdog. Okay, this is a very interesting lip applicator. I'm really curious to see how this is going to work. Here goes nothing. Y'all, look how dark this is! This lip applicator is spectacular. I don't think I've ever had this much precision with a lip paint. I did not even dip into the product ever again. I did that entirely with just one little swatch, and it feels stunning on the lips. It literally feels like I have nothing on my lips at all. Look at the crisp line around my lips. That's like the power of Rihanna! I am biased. And last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and try the BH Cosmetics brand new launch, which is the Refreshing Face Mist. It's allegedly supposed to smell like watermelon. I am very picky when it comes to my watermelon scents, and I'll tell you why. I only use watermelon body mist and perfume, so I constantly smell like the Sour Patch watermelon. No. That is not watermelon. But it did give me a cute little dew, and it didn't mess up my hair, which is always a plus. And y'all already know, even though I'm one of their little ambassadors or whatever, if I don't like a product, I don't like a product. So yeah, that is all the products for today. This is the video, and this is the final look. I like it. I do like this look. I think it is cute. I think it is fun. I think it's grungy. I've been a little emo in my past, and to this day, I still am a little emo. So let's do a recap. Lime Crime. Do you want me to stop there? I'm just kidding, but I'm not. The packaging was cute. The presentation of the product falling out of the pan, that's a pass for me. However, their eyeshadows did deliver. I did like this palette a lot. I mean, my eyeshadow looks great. This looks great. I did like it. The shimmers were okay. Not the best, but they were okay. And the mattes were on par with my favorite brands, so I cannot complain about that. I would definitely recommend this palette, actually. As for the lashes, I mean, for what they are, the style that I just used, they're good. The quality of the lash is medium tier. It doesn't look cheap, but it also doesn't look like Lily lashes, and I'm a Lily lashes whore. I can't believe I'm bringing you guys in this close. If you guys look closely, you guys can see that the clear band leaves the ridges of where the lashes are glued very apparent if you don't do eyeliner. And at first, I thought that was a cute, nifty little idea, but now looking at it in practice, I'm not a fan. But I have looked at the prices of these lashes, and they are $12, so they are meant to be mid-tier. So I would recommend these. As for the lip paint, I am beyond obsessed. The color is stunning. It is absolutely true to what is shown in the product. It feels chef's kiss. It feels amazing. It does transfer a little bit, but it still looks good on the lips. The setting spray did not quite smell like watermelon. From what I can tell, it did do its job, and it did leave a nice cute finish on my skin. It didn't separate anything, so I will give it a pass. Overall, this video was all over the place. Did you guys like the way that my makeup came out? Let me know down in the comments below. Are you guys interested in any of these products? Let me know down below. Also, the affiliate links are down below if you do want to purchase them. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like my art, if you guys like my energy, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And I will see you guys in the future. Bye-bye.